What to do when you don't know what to do for a living. Hi, it's Mike, your personal career coach. You ever have the situation where you're not sure what to do? I meet so many people these days. Either they're bored of their job, they just got laid off, they know that there's something better out there for them. The problem is, how do you figure out what's better for you? Well, you can take a personality test. I've done Briggs-Myers, I've done StrengthsFinder. I think those are great to reinforce what you already know about yourself, but I don't think they're going to give you any really new or creative ideas with job search. So, the question becomes, how can you think about different roles you can play in different industries, in different kind of companies? Well, the bottom line is to get out there and talk to people. So, when you're thinking about different roles in different industries, one thing you can do is go through your LinkedIn connections. Go through your LinkedIn connections and take a look and see where people are. Notice what kind of industries they're in, notice what kind of roles they are playing, and ask yourself whether you think you would enjoy doing something like that. You can also talk to people to help you brainstorm. Once you've figured out sort of a potential set of ideas, then get out there and talk with professionals who are doing the jobs. Tap your university network and tap any other network you have to get conversations to figure out where it is that you belong. Because this whole process is a question of whether you like that area and whether that area is going to like you. So the whole idea is to narrow it down to a couple different job roles in a couple different industries and then go forward with the job search process after that. Thanks.